Kubor na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Sengbhalang Khlapen pau ke Jingbom Sngewhun. Hadin bakladep ia kendu ia Menteri Ketenat Kampu Iyeng ke Sorkar India u Amit Shah Namar u Khlem ai kano ke Jubab. Henry la chusngap yak ai ke baklapen pau ya ke jingkwa ke jongki ban Menteri Kamno ya ka inner line permit ne ILP. Na ke bentah bantel akam ya ke jingwan rung kerthep ki barjela. Hakane ke jing ya kendu ya u Amit Shah kalong mentah kesngi ka arpusoterek mentau benai naitung arjar phuwe hakapor prabajajenmit State Convention Center Panymut. Habayakran berkilat pathai kubor kinong yalam Sengbhalang Khlapen pau baka jing sangap manman u Amit Shah kalong kumba u nyoben nya kirit pat Henry Kleshim ya karai bandang ne syakmat kisah syong Jingiakren banyak perkhat temai.
Ya tu ini ya kan. Jingiakren jok pi Union Home Minister.
Hi gane kamde shu kasin ke bandang kong ba nakaliang juki Sengbhalang nila angot baka anti keterikam pok jala juki. Haswa bang kren ya kai bang ya kendu rasing yang penkermaw khat kendai trip pura khat kendai. Ru phomot kinong thoan sukar jala la pas gar solution official solution. Kata ada imbe ba pas taki kos ya madan madia ande dik taki nong thoan ba upat ba jala penkup kita kembar. Hapo rawan sepo Jingiakren NEC khmi lenti banyo debit company halor kene kam. Henry phila step hi kai gwaji atau Jingiakren ko NEC. Menta ka siru ngan batai syai kalong ba nakaliang Menteri Kampu Iyeng Sorkar India la susap ya ke bangi batai ka jingkwa jongi ku Sengbhalang bat jong kecala koi lo ka LP Henry kamdon kanu ka jingkular bat kamdon kanu ka commitment bai dai ka LP issue bat ngakren da basai ba kane ka dai ka big insol ya literary tremluk jong kecala Henry bat jong kecala ko namar lada cisnam tam lepas ya takar solution Mshamala ban ay tang sikentian ni pantang ya ka ay ganung rem ne ka stand jong Indian government halor ka ILP issue tang kata khmla ban Jubab sap lai te ko pen kenir kum le kamlong iba wat yakin ru phongat sham lakhin snap na kaliang jungi kum Sengbhalang ni sa shong man pakhat ni sing e benya ni so tho kadan kane pandemic kumta hanrai virus bal kejap ya kejap benre ba jala bra koi ni hap ban wat lagi jong doi nang ne sakman
three times ngalai kendu. This is the third time that we have been meeting the Home Minister. First meeting kadai for Delhi, second meeting Halor, and this is the third meeting. Kadi ka third meeting in I expect ba he will assure us something. Nakaliang jong Home Minister. Te kapakham song si sisu kolong ba la assure ngi ba kata ka meeting ke begini kendu at least minimum ekor kumba 20 to 25 minutes. Henry menela shu akran tangwe but darang imut ban kran biang tiang tem bala kaju isu minum yo shu Jingiakren bani debate so that's fine and then we expect something from the Home Minister at least and I hadu baneru ka meeting we are not satisfied and we are not happy but we ngin pek kai karai ka ba kin pentep lingba kata ka Jingiakren par bodu CM jungi ya kastir ka jungi and I to be frankly I mean we are not happy at all. We are not satisfied with this meeting.
Can you tell us what exactly is said, communicated?
no
words from the HM. No words.
no comments from the
So the thing is like this.
He has not assured us anything also.
The thing is very plain and simple. That he allow us to make a submission, no doubt. We starting to make a submission on ILP, and when only 2 members are able to speak, he directly say that let's talk. If there is any other issue, then let's talk other issue. But Sadon raised the relevant issue of borders, and Tengzak Moming has raised the issue of languages in there. It's a very relevant issue, no doubt. But the main agenda, which is ILP, he did not give any assurance, he does not give any commitment, and in fact, he does not even say a word. He does not even tell us why there is a delay. He does not even explain to us the stand of the Indian government on this issue. So this is not acceptable. We are very disappointed. This has led the moral of the indigenous people into the state down once again. And actually we expect better. Even after waiting for almost 2 years, actually we expect better than this, but nevertheless, such a thing did not happen. And as Balam said, that we are not happy. This is a big insult to the indigenous people of the state on the whole, and we can't allow that this kind of situation happening again and again in our own state.
Kandial kani ke Jingiakren jong Amit Shah kani ka jela jong ya kani kanti o menta nak liang jong Sengbhalang yi ba kani tang Jingiakren kai jong usha sora kam nadon kanu ka benta ka ba udawan ban simkhia sha ya ka isu ka ba kum Sengbhalang kum sarkar kum jai beriang ni kwa ya kata jing penterikam ka LP masnya rung hapo ngila sutu ya kata ba ngi persang ban ya kata jing ton kam ka LP hindrai kaba penlengok kalau nak liang siam ru intervene bala kran wei labiang nak liang home minister ru intervene bala kran wei labiang la sutu hindrai KLP kamkut nak jing kran jong wei kum kinong kelam Sengbhalang ngidon sibun ki poin ban ni ya kaba uni home minister ru sim ailat ngi ban kran te la suang kata fidan ki isu fila ban kran te ngilah ya kran ru ko border isu ngilai kran ru ki schedule but kabami no sinto jong chief minister ngi kalong ba the home minister will examine this matter hendrai kaba phalabat kalong nakaliang home minister si continue kami ayu le Halor kini issue ki bangi le kran te komot kani ke Jingiakren jong mecha kani kanti ka benta wal hadin kula panap ingi katu kani benai ha Jingiakren jong ko khado kalong le nai ni smo ba kalong le nai but kam simpoi kono ke discussion ka ba kabantai ya kalawai jong jela
Tikiai pat kita gilat kilunti ba pinsim nang ni sakmat abai
ya kata kum ki Sengbhalang ngin dang habi kendo ngin ya song ta meeting ngin saya rai lang pat ki gilat kilunti begin sim Namar ngila sutu balada kadang jing bam syashkor sa menta te kamot ngimban se ban ya sakmat ki pat ki kam ki ba ngin saya rai lang kum ki Sengbhalang ba
non biang nama pihak ni kalau isu atau bondon yang bahkan terang nak kalau sendiri.
kata ngin song meeting ngin sama yakran ka meeting kata
From that moment, if you can, tell us about the outcome of the meeting.
Regarding the meeting, we were very disappointed. It happened the first time also. The first time we met him, he simply denied to discuss on the issue. Even this time also, he heard us. He said that he will look into the matter, but that is the only important word he said today. So we wanted to talk about the importance of ILP from the Garo Hills side also. Because right now you see, in Garo Hills, in a place called Wadagokre, near Baitbari, in the Plain Belt district, for around 800 people have forcibly come and they have squatted on a plot of land, which is so near this ancestral archaeological site. So we wanted to make the Home Minister understand, but he did not give us the chance. What I wanted to say was this one. See, we have the 6th schedule, we have the land transfer act, we have so many hosts of other other laws and rules, but these rules are not the panacea. This is not going to solve all our problems. So we wanted something like the ILP, so that this mechanism can regulate the illegal influx. So that's why we wanted ILP. We wanted to discuss with him, but he did not discuss.
Hak memorandum ka mangi ki sauseng nila ongi ki ndriu nyoseng nila bu kalong bau bagin ya keren ke schedule ndri ka ba khala kalong pan dok hongpong ya ka ba Amit Shah kurpat ingi ban keren ka Hindi ban mau keren ingi ka Hindi ta kalong ba pen kendet ke Namar ketien ka ba priang hang ni ka English ada ban keren ya kata ka rokom ndri mau keren ka Hindi sudon dok bangi sutu Hindi mul malang ngila ban Jubab kata long hakum kani ka khap bangi dawai kata ka jing penrung ketin kalau schedule kalong mar hongpong kani ka jingle
dah kena kalian jangan mah abang ilarung tu apa ngi iba ketu ke respons ke penhot lain Namar bangi nak kalian jangan mar sendrong tu apa kamdan kanu kecing sultanat nong dah welcome sini dah gitu kupor mar sistang mereka keren melong baca ba nak kalian jangan keren tong wei ko isu ada ni keren penhot teknik kalau peni lupa ba mundan mak snap ya kena isu kalau penmong sisa tan sio bisa sobang sobang keren teknik itu kecing le bom senyau jong ini serta ini Namar ba thadu ya wahi ude chipen star jungi ba ba this home minister will examine the matter kabo mo adan ye sanda kabo mo mantan ane sekmar kada kamram Sengbhalang bani atli na kabanta bani yakon na kam lang syo bersyukur